Well, there really is no typical day in the auditing profession. You can expect to be either out at clients or in the office working on a variety of jobs and tasks. Most of the time you'll be out working with clients directly, face-to-face with them, asking them questions, interacting, looking at records and performing our duties out at a client, engaging most often. So I would say that's a typical.
The typical is that there's not typical, and it's the same in tax. You might be in the office more regularly with tax, but you're dealing with tax updates, policy changes, things like that. Clients are calling you, asking about the new policy, how it's going to affect them. Yes, you do tax returns, but it's so much more. There's tax compliance, different tax projects that you're working on. So within both audit and tax, none of your days will be the same, and that's what really a lot of people love about the accounting profession, is that it's so dynamic. It's changing all the time, and you have a ton of opportunities to continue to learn and really better yourself in the profession. So an internship at Playmoran is really great. You at Playmoran as an intern get treated just like a full-time staff. So when Tim or anyone is working to staff their jobs, they pick interns just like they would pick new entry-level staff. You have quite extensive training at the beginning of the internship, but a lot of what you learn then too is out at a client working with your in-charges and your managers on those jobs. We also do a couple fun things throughout the internship that really help you get to know the other interns throughout the firm and learn about their experiences and get to share about yours too.
Yeah, like Jennifer said, you're thrown on the job right away. You're given some training, things to get you ready to go out there, but you're treated like a full-time staff from day one, and you'll get the experiences just like all of us do. So it's really a great learning opportunity and an eye-opening experience.
So the classes that you should be taking are for sure at least 201 and 202, and be in accounting 301 in order to do the internship. Other than that, advisors are really great to help you out because they're making sure that the classes you're taking fit within the Illinois requirements to sit for the CPA exam. We are looking then for full-time that you have your 150 credit hours completed and that all your credits do line up. So you have to be careful about not taking too many gym classes. You can still do that, but you need to get the right accounting and finance classes to sit for the CPA exam in order to start full-time.
Yeah, I think the most vital skills from an auditing perspective would be communication skills, the willingness and the overall skill set to be able to interact with clients and fellow team members. It's really important that communication is clear. You will definitely improve tenfold during an internship experience in your communication skills, because like I said, you'll be forced to interact and communicate. So I would say that's probably the number one. Another is just maybe not a skill, but your adaptability to new environments. Accepting change. I mean, things get thrown at you quickly, and circumstances change really fast. And so, being willing to accept that and to run with those changes are really important. You guys want to participate?
Yeah, and in addition to that, so along with the communication and adaptability is working in that team environment. When Tim talked about going out on an audit engagement and working in teams, you're going to be in teams a lot. So being able to kind of interact and do that is really important to be a team player. Some of the experiences that we look for, definitely leadership experience. Here at Illinois, you have a lot of great organizations that you can get involved with. Take some leadership in those. Not only does it help with your leadership skills, but it also gets you kind of a sneak peek and some closer interaction with some of the staff and recruiters from different firms and companies. So being involved in as much as you can. Yes, we look at your GPA. That's very important to know you learned, but we want to know that you're well-rounded too, so that you participated in some various other things, whether it's Orange Crush or intramurals or these leadership opportunities within accounting or business organizations. Those will all really pay off and show us how well-rounded you are, because we work hard, but we also like to have a lot of fun together.